Karbi Anglong School ahumtin along toklang arong aje kepado EM MAC DCSB site ko tum toklang arong aje kelang cari. Difu Adarsa Hindi LP School toklang arong aje along toklang EM kecetong tu. HDP LP School along kepado toklang arong aje along Difu Golf College Athanbang kelang cari tu. Kardom ada berta lang penili berta Athanbang thare harmoni be nan bertang ron pen arjik tha. Karbi Anglong ahumtin school ahem toklang arong aje pado pen toklang kapaching thurja phan adun tu ganasok pangcheng thulo. Nona phong toklang arong aje along Homsuri Sira Pharohini Social School aphan Parlo Lumbajong Block ke Parlo Kecharli ahem mate school Hum Pharohini la plikebra isi bukajan along Hum Pharohini la truck cap Haroghat along Hum Pharohini la plikebra truck rong mangwe along Hum Pharoi sila pli Samilang so along Hum Pharoi sira Phokebra sirkep lapen langsung mi pi along Hum Pharoi sira plikebra narkep Kecharli hem mate school along Doklang arong aje padu pontu Presir kep arni dipu rong supi Keparlo Chandra Singh Teron School along West Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner lapen Ari Sangho Ake hayu tum toklang arong aje along Usumar toklang ko anma ketek the Asad lang kelang pen patini Difu Golf High School along ta toklang arong aje padu Difu rong supi ke Parlo Adharsa Hindi LP School along ke pado toklang arong aje along toklang EM Citong dun si Usumarapan lang cari dun Adharsa Hindi LP School along kecari Usumar pangrumpet bang Pharoi sira thom kebra isido Hini ang deng pen pho ang deng kecari Usumar toklang ahin ko an ma ketek laso asad lang Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council toklang EM Jagat Singh TC kelang cari pado alang li school hem keme kaheno hem kom hemrai ko an ma kesalok le ahinta kelang pangching Difu Golf College Athanbang lapen Ari Sangho tum HDP LP School along kepado toklang arong aje along dun si Usamarapan sadlang endun pusi karnu sarang berta nang pale HDP LP School along Charlie Bom Osomar ketok kelan thekma thekthela so aputhak Difu Golf College along Athanbang Serdhun Teron pi lapen Ari Sangho tum si toklang arong aje ahut kelang cari padodang Alang lipan SMC Amaipu Rensing Timung lapen Thanbang ake hoi songbe atum cerabdun nun malam support han bertamu dan poniksena
J&J Mandu has come to twist your taste with ethnic traditional dishes, noodles, rice, main course, beverages, soups and many more. A restaurant that makes you feel alive and energized. You can be out there enjoying the things you love. Parties like wedding parties and birthday parties are also taken up. On any occasion, the order must be given at earliest time. For more queries, please contact 9435 925 116. J&J Amandu, Difu Karbi Anglong Birla, near Bharat Petrol Pump. A family restaurant, a part of your family.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang solahormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasenang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang tirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, Thelua Kreng, Chitronola, Ukthor Pen Chenglok Ong Dung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Turkimi outlet opposite LDRB Difu Karbi Anglong, Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flux, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
Come one, come all. Grand opening of Bazaar, India. A shopping mall consisting of various quality of gents wear, ladies wear, kids wear, and tremendous quality of household items, accessories, etc. Difu Main Market, Old LIC Building, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Looking for your needs? Visit Bazaar, India.
Dhina Mupi Putat Bertalong Bangtulo. West Karbi Anglong Duar Amla Constituency Kipalo. Tengaralang so havar non hejong tomon tipi kewang ajo. Kowe arong naha ol opposite by thalang so penili tum perangke. Card news along Berta Napali.
সময় 7:30 বজাত ডাঙৰ ধুমুহা আহিছিলে ঘৰটো উৰুৱাই লৈ গ'ল বেয়া কৰি দিলে আৰু টিঙি খুপাবিলাক চব বেয়া কৰি দিলে নিজে অলপ ঠিক কৰিয়ে থাকিব পাৰিছে নহলে থাকিব নহলে হয় অলপ চলপ খালি লগাই থৈ দিছিলে টিঙিলা গুটেই উৰাই লৈ গৈছে আৰু তামোল গছবিলাক বেছি লোকচান হৈছে
অঞ্চলত ধুমুহা হৈছিলে ধুমুহা হোৱাৰ ফলত বাৰী কিছুমান মূল্যৱান গছ ভাঙিছে তাৰপিছত ঘৰ উভালি পেলাইছে তাৰপিছত বিজুলী যেটো কাৰেণ্টৰ তাৰ হেৰি মেইন লাইন সাব লাইন ছিগিছে আৰু এতিয়ালৈকে লাইনৰ যেটো হেৰি পোৱা নাই লাইনো বিচ্ছিন্ন হৈ আছে
Ada berita bang lepas sekian ton panggil, demi thang me kurang tu.